I'm your muscle. Where's my protein? You trained me hard and fed me nothing. I can't rebuild without fuel. No protein, no growth. I'm your muscle. 3 sets? And you think you're him? I need volume to grow. Stimulate me, or stay small. I'm your muscle. You think training me every day makes me grow? You tear me in the gym. I rebuild on rest days. No rest, no gains. I'm your muscle. 4 hours of sleep? I grow when you sleep. No sleep, no repair. Grind don't replace rest. I'm your muscle. And no, this ain't steroids. It just helps me recycle energy. You still gotta lift. I'm fuel, not magic. You're killing me. I told you to drink more water. Why are you letting me dry out like this? Drink the water! I'm your creatine. No, I'm not making you huge overnight. I help you push harder. That's it. You still gotta eat and train. I'm support C, not steroids. I'm your lower back. That form is trash. You're crushing my spine. Bad deadlifts wreck backs. Hinge right. Or don't pull at all.